Welcome to Rajni Tech Talk. In this class, we are going to learn like statements, how like statements are used in SQL. In a like statement, there is two type percent and underscore. Percent is used to anything, anything is percent, and underscore represents one underscore is particular value, one value, or two underscore. If you write two underscore, if it will represents two values or two letters. Let me understand by using the example. Before that, let me execute the table. Select star from database name dot table name. If you execute, you can observe the table name. If you give the where condition, we required s name is equal to ad. Going to execute, the name is equal to ad. Instead of giving ad, if you give only d, let me see what is going to be executed. It doesn't show any value. For that, if you use like statement, by using like statement we can execute by using single the value by keywords. Let me try. Like statement is nothing but like statement doesn't match the exact value. By giving the keywords we can execute the values. Let me use like statement, like %d. Here it observe only we want a percent is anything letter, any letters, it may be appear in front of d. We are giving the condition we should be the d at the last end of the word, and in front of d anything it may appear. This is the condition of %d. If we execute this one, you will get a in front of d anything it may be appear. At last the value should be d, the letter should be d. If you give the letter start with a and end with percent, if you run this, if you observe the letter start with a and end with any letter, it doesn't matter. So it has been executed. Here is all the name of the table. Instead of percent, if you give underscore, one underscore means one letter should be considered. Start with a and end with one letter. If you execute this one, it will show, see all the letters should be two digit. The one digit letter does not executed. So this is nothing but like statements. For example, if you start with underscore one particular value and end with d, let me execute. You can observe here the word end with d and start with one letter, that is a, and end with d. This is nothing but like statements has been used. Here like statements is it doesn't require any matchable values. So without that, some percent or underscore, by using the percent and underscore we can execute the values by giving some certain conditions. This is the table like statement. If the video is like for you, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.